Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make logo design just in 5 minutes. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Select rectangle tool and make straight rectangle shape. Color it. Now make a copy and rotate it. Align both files. Then go to Pathfinder and unite. Convert shape into stroke and increase stroke size 20%. Go to Object, click on Expand Unchecked Fill, press OK. Now make a circle with Ellipse tool. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size, then expand it. Make one more circle in it. Align both files. Make a line with pen tool, convert into stroke, then increase stroke size. Go to Transform panel and copy it. Expand both lines. Select both files, go to Pathfinder, then minus front. Now the line's removed. Select anchor points and round it. Select whole shape and group it. Make perfect rectangle shape, and put logo in shape. Align files, then go to Pathfinder and press minus front. Round the corners of shape. put text in it. I'm using Galactic and fonts. Put the shape in the middle of texts, and align files. Align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.